Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Piroxicam. Piroxicam is a prodrug, and this piroxicam is the longest. It is the longest acting NSAIDs. It is an anti-chemotactic. It is toxic mainly on systemic administration, and it is the long-acting NSAID. It can undergo enterohepatic circulation. The side effects of piroxicam is it can cause GI upset and peptic ulcer can also occur in piroxicam. Piroxicam is a prodrug. It is the longest acting NSAID. It is toxic on systemic administration. It is anti-chemotactic.
thank you and thank you for watching.